Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of the Scran Line, I'm going to show you guys how to make these. You know what? I don't know what to actually call these because there's so many things happening in this cupcake. So it's like a brownie layer with 2 chocolate mint Oreos in the center baked in there, and then there's like cookies and cream and peppermint buttercream frosting, like an ombre of that on top. So let's call it a peppermint cookies and cream brownie cupcake. I think that does it justice. Okay, let's get stuck into the recipe. Now that I've figured that out, let's get stuck into the recipe. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by melting the chocolate in the microwave 20 seconds at a time, mixing each time until it's smooth. Then you want to pop that into a bowl and add some melted butter. Now, if you want to do this the sensible way, which is what I should have done in the first place, just pop the butter and chocolate in a bowl together in the microwave and melt. Next, we're going to add our eggs, sugar, cocoa powder, and then our flour, so whisking each time. You want to add about a tablespoon of that into some cupcake liners. Now I'm going to pop about 2 chocolate peppermint Oreos into each cupcake liner. Then I'm going to fill these up again with some more batter. You want to fill them up just below all the way up the top. You want to bake these on 160 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. It could take up to an hour depending on the strength of your oven. Then you want to let them cool down completely. Now I'm going to crush some more of those Oreos into a food processor. We're going to add those to some Swiss meringue buttercream frosting. I'm going to add a little bit of peppermint essence in there as well. We're going to mix that until everything is well combined. Now I've split my butter into 3 bowls. In one bowl I'm going to add some green mint food gel. Mix that until everything is well combined. In the second bowl, I'm going to add some more mint green and some blue and mix that until everything is well combined. Then in the third bowl, we're going to leave that white. Now, I actually have 3 open star piping tips, which makes this process very easy. But if you don't, you can just start with the darkest mint green on the bottom, clean or replace the piping bag, go with the light mint, and then finish with the white. And we're going to finish these with a good sprinkle of crushed Oreos. And guys, that is pretty much it. Okay guys, so those were my chocolate peppermint brownie cookies and cream cupcakes. I don't even think that's what I actually called it in the beginning of this video. I'll go back at the beginning while I'm editing and I'll put the proper name in. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. It lets me know that you guys like these videos. Now, when you do hit the like button, if you guys do that as soon as you watch or while you're watching, the more likes we get, the more likely we are to get onto the trending page, which has been happening lately. So thank you to all of you who have been liking the videos. If you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, welcome. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest episodes. If you want to grab the recipe, you'll find that over on my website. I've left a link for that in the box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.